Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Richie back again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray limited edition release of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, The Beginning. This is from Arrow Video, and this is one of their thinner limited editions, but let's get this one opened and check it out. Okay, so this is available in the UK, the US and Canada. This one is the US version. I ordered this one along with the first movie because this is the prequel. This one's turned up first. I don't know when the other one is arriving, so this is the prequel, so I'll probably get this watched before the other one does come. So let's have a look at this in greater detail. Okay, so after 2003's successful remake of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, they then decided to do this prequel, The Beginning. So there's a bit about the movie. And this has its original theatrical version and the extended uncut version for the first time on 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. So it's presented in Dolby Vision, HDR10 compatible for both cuts. It's got the original DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 track and a stereo track on the theatrical, and a 7.1, 5.1 and stereo on the uncut version. So just like the other one, I think that had a 7.1 on there as well. There's a lot of special features there. We got new artwork by Aaron Lee. And there's some essays in there as well. Okay, this is 91 and 96 minutes long. It's in the 1.5:1 aspect ratio, and it's got English language and English subtitles. Okay, so a closer look at the slipcover. There's no special treatment on this one. It's just a standard, slightly smoothed slipcover. Okay, but it is a thick quality one. Inside is the 14mm keep case finished in black. Same information on the back. We have got reverse artwork. There you go. So the disc is a triple layer, 100 gig, which is great to see. And we've got a poster here and a booklet. And what's the flyer for this one? Excalibur. So that'll replace my HMV Premium Collection Edition, which I've got on Blu-ray. Okay, so for this cheaper one, they've gone for a glossy poster, glossy paper. It's not the thickest, but that is what you get when they do the 14mm keep case version. Okay, and finally the booklet. Okay, so there's your cast and crew. Yeah, I'm looking forward to checking this one out again. It's been a few years. Okay, so about the presentation. So it was restored by Arrow. It was scanned at Warner Brothers MPI, and it was graded at Dupli-Tech. This new master has been reviewed and approved by the director, and the QC controls by Pixel Logic. So for the production credits, the authoring on this one is by Leroy Moore, the Engine House Media Services. And that is it. That is the end. We'll leave you with that shot of this unboxing video. Be interested in the comments to see what you think of this prequel, obviously to the remake. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and consider subscribing and sharing. But thanks for watching, and I'll be with you again soon. Goodbye.